Why go for the same old omelet every morning when you could have a cake that is just as healthy and way more fun? This easy cake recipe takes a few simple ingredients and turns them into something seriously tasty.
Yum.
Give it a try. You might end up with a new favorite breakfast that feels like a treat but is totally guilt-free. To make this easy, healthy cake recipe, start with 8 medium-sized eggs. Separate the yolks and whites into 2 bowls, making sure each bowl is clean and dry. Keeping the yolks intact is important because any yolk mixed with the whites can prevent them from whipping up properly into fluffy peaks. Next, beat the egg whites with an electric mixer on medium-high speed until they form stiff peaks. This usually takes about 5 minutes. You'll know when they're ready when they hold their shape firmly, like fluffy clouds, as you can see in the video here. Next, take 1 cup of full-fat plain cream cheese and add it to the 8 yolks in a separate bowl. Whisk them together until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. This creates a creamy base that will blend well with the beaten egg whites. Next, gently fold the beaten egg whites into the cream cheese and egg yolk mixture. Use a spatula and fold carefully to keep the mixture light and airy. You're aiming for a perfectly blended, fluffy batter, as you can see in the video here. Now, pour the batter into a lightly buttered, round baking tray, then spread it out evenly to ensure a uniform bake. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is about 150 degrees Celsius, for about 25 minutes, or until the top is a lovely golden brown, as you can see in the video here. Then let it cool slightly before removing it from the pan. For the frosting, pour 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into a clean bowl and beat it with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. This should take about 5 minutes. Once your cake is cooled completely, gently remove it from the pan. Use a knife to loosen the edges if needed. Slice the cake horizontally with a serrated knife to create 2 even layers, as you can see me doing here. Then, place the bottom layer on a serving plate and spread a generous layer of whipped cream on top. Carefully place the top layer on, then spread the remaining whipped cream evenly over the top and sides of the cake with a spatula. Doesn't this look irresistible? This easy, healthy cake recipe is light, fluffy, and creamy, with a smooth whipped cream frosting. Enjoy it any time of day as a guilt-free treat. It is low-carb and free from added sugar and flour, making it perfect for anyone on a keto diet or simply looking for a cake without the usual extra junk. If you liked this easy, healthy cake recipe, check out how to make a protein-rich, low-carb cottage cheesecake here. You'll definitely enjoy this one too. Check it out now.